Hi everyone, it's the 9th of February 2018. Friday, I never usually trade. I've just come in, was doing a few things on the chart, setting a few things up ready for next week, and I saw the GU, beautiful entry point there. We've seen this big drop in the pound. I saw this entry here that we take with our criteria and got in short on the GU, and the GJ did the same. Saw an entry on this one. See a nice move down. I've locked in 5 pips on the GJ. I've locked in break even on the GU. I'll probably move those down in a minute. But I'm thinking, well, I never usually trade on a day like today. I'm just going to let these run and see how they go, possibly. See how these moves play out. And I just thought that I'd do a quick video to show you how trading the Price Action Traders Institute criteria can work out on the way we trade and how simple it is. Like I say, I just saw this suck back, this pullback here, and the candle suck back to get me in on the GU, and the GJ exactly the same thing. This candle here, I got in on that one. So I'll leave this running. I'm going to pause for a second and I'll come back in a minute and let you know how these trades are doing. We're already seeing price on the GJ coming down through the 0 level. I'm targeting down at 80. We'll see how that goes. GU comes through 0 and looking for that to break 80 and possibly move down through 50. So like I say, I'll pause this and I'll be back in a minute. Just a quick update. You can see that price has continued to move down. It's broken the day's low and it's coming through these levels quite nicely. I've now moved my price stop down to lock in 10 pips on the GU, and the GJ, I've done the same thing there. I've moved that stop down to lock in 20 on the GJ. So it's nice to see that come through that 0 and like I say, we're looking to target 80 on that, and we'll see how this GU goes, see if it can get down to that 80 or through that 80. Okay, so we'll let these run and see what happens. Worst case scenario, I'm going to come out with 30 pips. Seeing some US dollar weakness, which is pushing this GU up. Looks like it's going to hit my price stop. Very close to that now. What we need is another, well, what I need is another push from that pound. We need another move of the pound getting weaker, but it looks seriously like that US dollar move is going to take that one out. Let's have a look at the GJ. That's pulling back quite high as well, so it looks like the pound's gaining a little bit of strength there. Not a problem. Like I say, I never normally trade on a Friday, so this is like a little end of week bonus. Saw the perfect entry there, took the 2 of them, just thought I'd let them ride out. Okay, you can see the GU there has hit my price stop, so I've taken 10 pips on the GU, so that's absolutely fine. I'll just clear that chart off so it's ready for next week. And GJ, I shall leave that running and see what happens. Like I say, 20 pips locked in there, and we'll see if it pushes back down again. Okay, I'll pause for a second. Again, we can see that prices pulled back down on this GJ, seeing more weakness on the pound, I believe. Yeah, it looks like the pound's pushing down now. So, well through that 0 through the low of day again, and let's see if it actually hits my take profit. Might even do it as we've got the video running, which would be quite nice. The usual thing is though, every time I take it off of pause and I start recording, it sucks back, and then as I pause it, then it starts to come back down again. But just hold this for a few more seconds. If not, I'll pause it and come back to you. Okay, we're seeing that push down. Is it going to take that, hit that take profit for me? Okay, it's just hanging about a bit. Oh no, here it goes. Let's see. It'd be nice if we can catch this taking profit live. Almost there. Almost there. I always set my take profits a couple of pips above the actual level that we're trying to hit, so I'm about 82 I think. 82.3, something like that. So let's see. And is that going to... Almost there. That is so close now. Okay, I paused that for a second then, but thinking it was going to suck back up again, but now it's pushing back down again. Let's just see if this takes. No, it's hanging around again. Okay, I don't want this video to go on too long and just sit here watching paint dry, so I'll pause it again and come back. Okay, you can see that price came back down again, and again it was so close, just teasing next to that 80. And I thought, well, for 0.3, 0.4 of a pip, I wasn't going to risk this happening. Now it's pulling back, so I actually punched out of that. It didn't quite. It was about 0.2 of a pip away from my take profit, and I was quite happy to take that. Like I say, Fridays I don't normally trade. These are two trades that I wasn't expecting to take. So quite happy with that. Out with 10 pips on the GU where that pulled back and hit my price stop. And the GJ, I got 60 pips on that, and that was within about 38 minutes. I've made those pips. Okay, so there you go. I'll stop the video now and see if I can make another one for you soon. Okay, catch you soon.